Hello, killers. Let me turn on this light. What up, man? Yeah, I'm on the phone with my friend right now, so. Hello. Hi there. Okay, say hi. Wait, I can't put it. I can't really put it on speaker, so I don't think you can. Hang on, yeah. Wait, I need to get a different phone because this phone's like dying. You in my house? Well, I can't really look into the camera when I go down the stairs because it's kind of dangerous, so. I'm trying. Take a look at my big TV. Wait, you need to do something. 1 second, alright? Look at the phone. Hello? No. Can't find it. Hang on, it's not my dad's room. Actually. Yeah. Yep. So, yes. That is the tour of my house. And you can check me out on Zizzy Wooder, which I am, which is down there. Yeah. It seems like I'm always on the phone when... Oh, hi. It seems like I'm always on the phone when I make a video. Isn't that weird? Yes, it is. So I'll see you later. Peace.